welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the double displacement reaction between barium chloride and sulfuric acid. Check this out.
For this reaction, I'm using 80 milliliters of distilled water in a graduated cylinder, 18 molar sulfuric acid, barium chloride, petri dish, dropper, and a glass stir rod. Begin by measuring out 2 grams of barium chloride. Next, add your 2 grams of barium chloride to 80 milliliters of distilled water and stir the solution until it's aqueous. Once the solution is aqueous, add some of it to a petri dish.
Okay, now you're ready to add drops of 18 molar sulfuric acid, causing a precipitation reaction where you'll see barium sulfate form in the petri dish, this amazing white precipitate. Check it out. So that insoluble white precipitate that was formed in the petri dish was barium sulfate, which is used in the medical industry to coat the digestive tract. So by swallowing it, it coats the walls of your esophagus, your stomach and intestines, and then during a CT scan, those areas of the body are more visible.
Here's the balanced equation for this amazing double displacement reaction. We begin with the reactants barium chloride and sulfuric acid. We have 1 mole of barium chloride, that's the BaCl2, and 1 mole of sulfuric acid, that's the H2SO4. When those are combined in an aqueous solution, we get the products barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. We have 1 mole of barium sulfate, that's the BaSO4, and 1 mole of hydrochloric acid, HCl.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.